In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use task links on Ticktick. If you're new to Ticktick, it's a versatile tool designed to help you manage to-do lists and calendar events effortlessly, keeping you organized and on top of your tasks. It offers a feature called task links, which allows you to interconnect tasks directly, and today we'll walk through how to utilize this feature effectively. To begin, you'll first need to go to the Ticktick website. Once there, the next step is to sign into your account. You'll find the sign in option on the homepage. If you're not already registered, you might want to consider creating an account to leverage all available features. But for this session, let's assume you have an account and are ready to log in. Select the sign in button and you'll be presented with a variety of login options. Among them, choose the Google option. It's typically the fastest way to log in because most of us already have a Gmail account set up, and it simplifies the process. After clicking Google, you'll see a list of Google accounts associated with your browser if you're logged into multiple ones. Click on the account you want to use with Ticktick and you're in. Now that you're logged into your account, head over to your task page. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a list of your tasks, and from here select the one you want to link to. Simply right click on the chosen task, which will bring up a context menu with several options. Among these you'll find an option labelled Copy Link. Click on it. With the link copied to your clipboard, you can now navigate to another task where you want to add this link. This can be particularly useful if you're working on projects with interdependent subtasks and you want to ensure easy navigation between them. Click on the task where you want to paste the link and proceed to paste it into the task's title. You can do this by either right-clicking and selecting Paste, or simply using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V. Once pasted, you'll notice that it becomes a clickable hyperlink. This feature is incredibly handy as it enables you to jump directly between related tasks with just a click, enhancing productivity and workflow management. And those are the steps. With task links, Ticktick helps you maintain a seamless transition between interconnected tasks, fostering efficiency in managing your to-dos. Remember, organization is key, and with Ticktick's task links, staying organized has never been easier. Thank you for watching, and happy task managing.